Using dividend stocks to generate passive income. Welcome to Passive Income and Beyond. Today we're diving into how to use dividend stocks to generate passive income. Understand dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay regular cash dividends to shareholders. They provide a steady income stream in addition to potential capital gains. Research high-yield dividend stocks. Look for companies with a strong track record of paying high dividends. Check their dividend yield, payout ratio, and financial health. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries to reduce risk. A well-diversified portfolio helps ensure stable dividend income. Reinvest dividends. Consider reinvesting your dividends to purchase additional shares. This can compound your returns and increase your passive income over time. Monitor dividend payments. So regularly review your dividend stocks to ensure they continue to perform well. Replace underperforming stocks with better options if needed. Utilize dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs. Many companies offer DRIPs, allowing you to reinvest dividends automatically. This can help grow your investment without extra effort. Plan for tax implications. Be aware of the tax implications of dividend income. Consult with a tax professional to optimize your tax strategy. By following these strategies, you can effectively use dividend stocks to build a reliable source of passive income. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more investment tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.